Hello dear friend, today I will teach you how to make double sides LED sign with D15 controller. As we know, D15 controller with four port of half 75 port, and if we use only 2 port for one side, then the other 2 ports will be send data output. So we can use port 1 and port 2 for side 1, and port 3 and port 4 for side 2. First, let's do screen setting. We choose D15 controller and set the resolution of one side. We can send the picture. Look, port 1 to side 1, port 3 is the same data output with port 1, so 2 sides will be synchronously.